How to create PayPal account without card. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to create a PayPal account without having to enter your card details. It's quite easy, so let's just jump right in. First thing first, open up your web browser. I'm going to go ahead and open Google Chrome. And then from here, all you have to do is just search for PayPal on the search bar. Once you open up PayPal here, you can just go ahead and go to paypal.com/inhome. So what happens here is there are two options. You can either log in if you already have an account, but if you want to create a new account, you want to click on sign up. Before that, make sure that you have selected the personal tab and not the business tab. So let me just go ahead and quickly tap on personal and then click on sign up. Once you tap on the sign up option, all you have to do is select your details here. So let's just select personal and then tap on get started. Once you have done that, you can select your country or region and then tap on get started again. Now you can go ahead and enter your email address over here. Once you have entered your email address, you can just go ahead and enter your phone number as well and then tap on next. Now I'll just go ahead and tap on next. Now they will send you a verification code on your phone number, and once you've entered the code, all you have to do here is create a password for your account. Then you need to enter your personal details like your first name, last name, and date of birth, and then tap on next. Now once you have done that, you can enter your address line and then check this box down below, tap on agree and create account. Now once you tap on agree and continue, your new account will be created. So you can start using PayPal right away. So you can just go ahead and tap on what you want to do with your PayPal account. You can add a card to start shopping or send payments to your PayPal account. So you can add a card to start your PayPal account, tap on send payment. And you actually don't have to link your card right now. So all you have to do is tap on not now, and then your account will be created. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.